In this video, we're going to explore user creation and management with LoginTC, including 3 different ways to add new users, how to manage them in the LoginTC portal, and options for API-driven user management. First, we're going to add one user manually. From the dashboard of the LoginTC admin panel, go to the Users tab in the sidebar underneath General. Click on Create Your First User or Create User if you've already added some users. Input their personal details, including username, name, and email. Select which domain to add them to, or if you only have one domain, they'll be automatically added to that one. Click Create. Next, we're going to bulk import users from a CSV file. From the dashboard of the LoginTC admin panel, go to the Users tab in the sidebar underneath General. Click on Bulk Import in the top right corner and select Upload CSV User File. The next screen will show you the format required for the user import file. Once you have a file ready, click Browse beside the Upload field. Select the user file and click Open. When it loads, click Import. You'll be brought to the user page to see all the new users you've added, as well as a notification at the top of the page indicating how many users were added or skipped due to duplication. Note that if you are going to be using SMS or phone call authentication, the user's phone number can be added in the CSV file next to the corresponding user. The phone will be created and associated with the user as part of the bulk import process. Next, we're going to bulk import users using copy and paste. From the dashboard of the LoginTC admin panel, go to the Users tab in the sidebar underneath General. Click on Bulk Import in the top right corner and select Copy and Paste. Copy and paste user information in the correct format into the space provided and click Import. You'll be brought to the user page to see all the new users you've added. Again, if you're going to be using SMS or phone call authentication, the user's phone number can be added in the copy-paste text next to the corresponding user. This will create the phone and associate it with the user as part of the bulk import process. Now that we've added all of our users, it's time to add them to a domain. From the dashboard of the LoginTC admin panel, go to the Users tab in the sidebar underneath General. In the Domain Filter dropdown, select None and then Search. This will show you all the users that aren't currently added to a domain. Select All using the checkbox beside username and click Add to Domain. Select which domain you want to add the users to and click Add to Domain for Users in the dialog window that appears. Click Close once the bulk action is completed. Now no users should appear within the Domain None filter on. To confirm the users have been added to the domain, go to Domains in the sidebar under Setup and select the domain you added them to. Click View Members, and it will take you to a list of all your users that are in that domain. From this page, we can check which users are still inactive and issue them tokens. From the State filter, deselect any and select Inactive, then click Search. Select All using the checkbox beside username. If you wish your users to receive an email with the new activation code, simply select Issue Token and Send Email. In this video, we will use Issue Token without email. And from the Issue New Token dropdown, select Issue New Token without sending email. Click Issue Tokens without email for 4 selected users, and then Close to complete the action. The users should now be listed as pending. Users can also be created and managed using REST APIs. The first of these is the LoginTC User Sync Tool. To learn how to set up User Sync, navigate to logintc.com/docs and click on Tools. Click Get Started under User Sync. The User Sync tool is a Java application that connects to your Active Directory or LDAP user directory, queries for users, and then populates them in your LoginTC organization. This tool can be run periodically to keep your LoginTC users in sync with your own user directory. There are many options and ways to use this tool, and we recommend to review the Get Started guide. The second method is using REST API. Go back to the Docs homepage and select REST API. Review the documentation instructions under Users to learn how to use the REST API tool to manage your users. You're now prepared to create and manage users in LoginTC.